How you guys doing? This is the early 2000s Duratrax Nitro Quake. And today, we're going to do two things with it. We're going to fire it up and run it, and then I am going to eat some awesome chicken over rice. You can't kill a nitro. Now that is what you call a good start. Can't kill it, guys. The best idle ever. 22-year-old Duratrax motor. Original clutch spring 2. It's a proper idle, guys. Can't kill it. Vintage Duratrax. Look at that beauty, guys. Very good throttle response, very good braking. Oh, GT Cruiser, gotta be careful with those. Oh wow, old Buick. This is probably older than my Duratrax. Sickening. Haven't seen one like that in a long time. What do you think? We got it? We got it! Check that out. That's right. Can't kill a vintage. We got fuel. And then we're gonna run rich and loud. Let's fire it up. Thrown out right there. You didn't think I was kidding about the halal chicken and rice and salad, did ya? I wasn't kidding. Here it is, white sauce, barbecue. Let's open it up. Nothing like eating in the presence of vintage nitro greatness. This is holy beauty right here, guys. All right, enough messing around. Let's get to the drive analysis. I'm full of chicken and rice and salad. I feel better. Let's talk about what I truly think about this. Well, the engine is honestly very good. It has very good power. It starts easy. It holds the tune consistently well. And this is, in fact, the original air filter. There seem to be zero vacuum issues. What I will say is the center diff is amongst the loosest, the worst ones I have ever seen. Now, yes, it needs to be fully tuned. I don't know if you guys, you probably couldn't really tell, but when I was accelerating, let me just tell you my drive experience and what I thought about it. Pretty much within about 2 minutes of driving, it seems like the center diff warms up and almost all of the power goes straight to the front. The rear gets nothing. That's why in some clips you could see the front tires seem like they ballooned so much that they're just about to come off the rim. And in fact, yes, the tires are not glued. These are pneumatic wheels. There is no foam in these tires at all. And if you're wondering, well, why do these look like Team Associated tread tires? Well, it's the same brand that produced the tires for this truck that produced them for the Team Associated series of MGT trucks. But these are substantially wider, so you cannot run these on the MGT at all. Don't try it, it's not gonna work. Plus the offset is completely different on these wheels. Well, I have a good amount of work left to do on this, but I will say, the conclusion is, you cannot kill a nitro. Thank you guys for watching. Go get yourself some great tasting food, make nitro great again, and live a good, happy life. I'll be back to restoring more vintage nitros. If you like the sort of thing I do on this channel, please become a channel member or a Patreon supporter and help me make more nitros great again. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. If you smell what the Nitro Gang is cooking.
Your girl so fine, but her breath is like whoa. She say she wanna dance, but she don't know how to move.
Nitro World Order.
Nitro World Order. Nitro World Order.